Hi guys, today we're doing the Infinity Braid Combo Bun tutorial. Let's get started.
Okay, so we're going to start off with a square in the front. It's going to be an off-center part. And then you're going to tie everything off with an elastic on the side. Now you're going to make a small section in the front. That's going to be for our Dutch braid. And then you're also going to make a section along the back side where the Dutch braid is going to continue around the back. You're going to make a triangle parting in the front, and this is going to be for your infinity braid. Then you're going to split that triangle part in half and start your infinity braid. You'll take a slice from one side. You're going to go over the top. Then take that piece and go under the next section. And I'm going to add a little bit of more hair to it. And then it's going to go over the first section, and then you're going to go under the next section, and you're going to do the same thing. I'm going to take that piece, it's going to go over that first section, then under and over, and you're going to do this all the way down. Start doing your mini braid. It's just going to be a regular 3-strand Dutch braid. You're going to go all the way down, and then you're also going to go around the back. Now we're going to tie everything into an elastic. So you're going to take that area where we made the square in the beginning, and we're going to take the infinity braid, the Dutch braid, and just tie it off together. Make sure the infinity braid is on top, and then the Dutch braid is also on top. Now we're going to take the rest of the hair and put it into a side ponytail. I'm just using a bungee hair tie here. And then you're going to start doing a rope twist, and then you're going to put the bun together. Here you're just going to do the rope twist, and then you're going to put this into a bun after. The finished look. Hope you like it.
Please like, comment, and subscribe.